this problem from derivative, and it is also from JEE Main 2023 and from the first sheet. And the problem is, let A belongs to Z. This is the set of integer, and box T is the greatest integer function less equal to T. Then the number of points where the function fx, this is equal to box of A plus 13x, x belongs to 0 to pi, is not differentiable. Okay. Here we use two important property of box x. The first property is box x plus y, this is less equal to, this is greater equal to box x plus box y. This is the first, and for x, y belongs to any real number. If one of them, x or y, is integer, let y be integer, that is box x plus n, and we can write this is equal to box x plus n, where x belongs to R but n belongs to Z. Okay, we use this property, that is the second property of box function. And another important property of box function we use here, if box x, this is equal to n, then at x equal to n, or at any integral point of x, or any integral point of x, the function fx or the box x is not continuous and differentiable. Okay, and we use this property also at where the function box x is not differentiable, that is at the point where box x is integer. Okay, now from the given function it is clear that a is integer, it is given, so we can write this is a plus box 13 into sin x. Okay, and the value of sin x in 0 to pi is given by, looks like this is 0 to pi, and the maximum value is 1. This is pi by 2, and the maximum value of sin x, this is equal to 1. So the value of sin x is first increase from 0 to 1 and then decrease from 1 to 0. Okay, now we have to find the point at which value of x in this interval 0 to pi, where sin x into 13 is equal to an integer. Okay, and it is clear that if x equal to 1 by 13, x equal to 2 by 13, to x equal to 13 by 13, we get in this case 13x, this is equal to 1, this is 13, 13x, this is equal to into 13, that is 2, and similarly 13x, this is equal to 1 into 13, so this is equal to 1, and we get in this interval 0 to pi by 2 there are 13 such values including this point at which 13 into sin x is integer. Similarly, in this interval pi by 2 to pi, here also we get 1, and then 12 by 13, then 11 by 13 to 1 by 13. Okay, all of the value of sin x, at which 13 into sin x is also integer. So we get total number of points, this is 13 and this is also 13, but we get this point, that is the point 1 2 times, so we get 2 into 13 minus 1 points, that is 25 points at which sin x is integer. And all such points, that is all such 25 points, the function is not differentiable, because at such 25 points this is integer, so this is not differentiable by this property. Okay, so our answer is 25. Okay, and you can remember it by a simple formula, and the formula is, if the function is a plus p into sin x, where p be prime integer, okay, then the number of not differentiable point is 2 into p minus 1. Okay, and by putting the value of p here, we get 2 into 13 minus 1, that is 25, and 25 points there are which is not differentiable. At that x, the function is given. Okay, this is our answer, that is the integer type answer. This is 25. Okay, thank you for watching.